evidence explained herein under will indicate that the planning of the offense and gathering after the incident took place at Phosphorus Hostel. Investigation which resulted in evidence under oath revealed that the victim was murdered as a contractual assassination or hit rather than a robbery or robbery gone wrong. Evidence under oath revealed that 5 suspects actively participated in the planning and execution of the contractual murder of Senzo Meyiwa. The suspect in question are as follows. 3.1 Muzika uKelly Themba Spear. He was first linked to this offense by means of witness statement under oath. The accused boasted to individuals closely associated with him in KZN homeland as to his involvement together with Mafika. Herein as under suspect 2, Carlos under suspect 3, Mapisa suspect 4, and Linkani suspect 5 into killing of the deceased. A dispute ensued between the individuals and the closely associated individual disclosed to the ACPS the admissions these accused made to them. The accused was further linked with circumstantial evidence wherein minutes after the incident made disclosure and remarks at a family gathering he attended in Phosphorus as to the killing of Senzo even before the death was reported in the media. He is further linked by means of a formal confession he made to the Commission Independent Officer on the 30th of May 2020. The suspect further made a formal pointing out the sequence collection prior to the incident, the guarding of the outside of the house during the assassination, and the dropping of the accused at the cell phone tower referred to herein above.